Hello everyone. Do you want to do some activities with your children for during your online classes? So here we are. I'm going to show you one very beautiful, interesting app in which you can do multiple activities with your children for primary and for middle school both. So the first name of the app is GeoBoard app, and we do GeoBoard in the Maths Lab. We have been doing, but then there is a beautiful app here, and what you have to do is you have to simply go to the Google, then type GeoBoard, and then you just press enter, and you will come to this screen, GeoBoard, the Maths Learning. Click on that, and after that it gives you three options. And then we go to the Chrome store because I want to I'm not using Apple here, so I'll go to the Chrome store. When you go to the Chrome store, it shows you the apps. You just write launch app, and there you are, and you have a GeoBoard. The app gives you three GeoBoards. One is this 25 pack square board, then 150 pack rectangular board, and then it also gives you a circular board. So up to you what you want to choose. It gives you rubber bands to make the shapes, so it is up to you that you want to give it as an activity to the children to use different rubber bands and make a shape, whatever shape they feel like making. Or you can, as a math teacher, you want to just make them some polygons, and so what you will do is, and they want to use different colors, they can do it. So like that, there are more options here. For example, you just want to make a triangle. So then you will take a rubber band, scroll it up, and you just drag it and take it there. And after that, after making a base, you can just stretch and get another vertex and a triangle of your choice. And now, for example, you want to copy it. So you will be able to you can copy the same triangle and get after this, the moment you after clicking it, you see you have a copy, and it gives you an option to move. If you want to take it, turn it, copy, and you can do concurrent triangles like this, okay? Or you want to do more, maybe symmetry, or you can do different shapes, different activities here. So all I'm trying to show you is that there are more options. You can delete, you can add, you can write. Here it gives you the pen, and if you want to write a question here, you have to just choose the pen, and you can actually write on the board. For example, you want, so you can write straight and write 21. How much is 21 plus 2? Or find the area. So you can write there, and if you want to erase, this is a eraser here to get it. You can also type in the text if you want to. It gives you a text box. So what is the name of the following shape? Now so like that, you can just put a question over there and leave it done, and there you go. You can drag it, place it wherever you want. If you want to remove it, you just click on it and press delete. You'll be able to delete it. And the best thing that I like about it, for example, you want to give surprise to the children, then it has a beautiful option to hide. So you just see that corner tab, and you just drag it and hide it, and then start the class. And when you want to reveal it, you can just reveal it by taking it up. See how beautiful it is? I just love it. And there is one more thing about it that even you will be surprised. We can do even that. We can share the link of this. So the option that I'm showing the link, right? Or display the code to the class, and like this you can keep on doing activities with them. And otherwise also, if you can give a homework, the child can share the link with you, and you can correct the homework. So with this is Namita Basnotra, and I'm planning to make a series of the videos now to show you that how we can do online activities, and I'll be sharing more videos with you. Thank you.